Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, if you are planning to get Dubai driving license, the first test you need to pass is not your driving test. It's the RTA eye test. So we are going to talk about the RTA eye test in this video. So let's get started. Imagine failing before even touching the steering wheel. But don't worry, in this video I will tell you everything, how much it costs, where to go, and some funny experiences you might face. So let's go. What is the RTA eye test? Alright, the RTA eye test is mandatory vision test you have to pass before applying for a driving license. It's done at authorized optical centers, and they basically check if you can see the road properly. Because let's be honest, we don't need drivers who mistake a camel for a speed bump, right? Okay, now where to take the test? You can do this test almost any mall because there is always an optical shop nearby. Some of the top places are Al Jabir Optical, Maghrabi Optical, and Yatim Optician. Some of these places even have special discounts. So if you are lucky, you might save a few dirhams, which you'll probably spend on a crack tea later anyway. So the next step is, how much does it cost? The eye test price is usually between 100 to 180 dirhams, depending on where you go. Some fancy places might charge more because they give you a tissue after the test. Okay, the next step is what to bring. Before you go, make sure you bring your Emirates ID. They will not test your eyesight if you cannot see your Emirates ID. Okay, next step is cash or card, because they won't take payment in good vibes. Okay, the next one is your glasses or contact lenses. If you wear them, don't try to act smart and go without them unless you want to fail. What happens in the test? The test is very simple, but it might feel like an exam for some of us. They have letter reading test. You will read some random letters on a screen. If you start guessing A, B, Z, congratulations, you are failing. The second one is color blindness test. They show you colored dots and ask you what numbers you see. If you say, bro, I see nothing, we have a problem. Oh my god, it's hard. Alright, the next step is, what if you fail? If you fail, don't panic. It just means you need glasses or stronger lenses. But if you really can't see, maybe reconsider driving before you accidentally take your car to Abu Dhabi instead of Sharjah. And that's it. The RTA eye test is quick, easy, and a little scary if you haven't checked your eyesight in years. Yeah, that's all. If this video helped you, just subscribe, like, and if you have ever had a funny eye test experience, just comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.